What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So we just sprayed one in the booth. It's got some flash time, so I got about 10 minutes to kill. And I'm gonna go over something with y'all real fast that I've actually already recorded and deleted in the past, and I decided not to release it. I wasn't 100% happy with it, but we're gonna try to skim right through this real fast. As you already know from the title, you know what this is about. So a lot of channels do giveaways, okay? Now this is not gonna apply to all of them, but this is gonna apply to a lot of the bigger ones. When you get to a certain level and you're doing giveaways, a lot of times these channels are bonded and insured and all that for the giveaway purposes, and a lot of times they have official rules. So whenever you see something on TV or commercial that's a giveaway, and then at the end of it, it's like, you know, go to such and such for official rules and details. Nobody does that, and I don't know why. If you would read the official rules and details, a lot of times you'd be shocked. And you can take your favorite channel, put that channel's name in Google, and then put official rules and details or official giveaway rules. You might have to hit a couple keywords, but you can find the official rules, or you can just straight up ask the person that's doing the giveaway, where can I find the official rules and details at? Now, if it's a smaller channel, like I know Turbo John, I will put his name out there because I know he's done some giveaways just to be nice, and that's straight up what it is. You know, you make a comment, let's say underneath the video, or guess a weight, to like Randy's car the other week, and you know, whoever's closest gets a free t-shirt. It's just a t-shirt. He's not gonna be bonded and all this crap just to do something little. He's doing it from the kindness of his heart, and just trying to have a little fun and give out some stuff to people for a little guessing game. But the big boys that are giving away, let's say an F-450 with a tractor, or a car, muscle car, a truck, you know, tools, whatever the channel's giving away, when they get that big, normally they need to be bonded and insured. So find the official rules and details, even if you have to ask, and what you probably are going to find in them, because I know I have found it, I'm just not going to put the name out there, is that there's going to be a certain paragraph or section that's going to say no purchase necessary, meaning you don't have to buy their hat, you don't have to buy their keychain, you don't have to buy their stickers, you don't have to buy their t-shirt, you don't have to buy nothing, because it's a giveaway. If it was a raffle, then you would have to buy something. But I'm pretty sure, being it's a giveaway, they have to give it away with no purchase necessary. That's kind of what I have gathered. I know for a fact that I have read in black and white on a lot of these giveaways that there's no purchase necessary. A lot of them will have rules where you can only submit so many entries per day. They have to be on certain sizes of pieces of paper, certain notebook cards. You have to mail them to certain places, whatever. And sometimes these channels, different channels, you know, will do promotions for the giveaways in different terms, whatever. And a lot of them, if they receive your entry on that day that that little promotion's going off, then they will count your entry in there. And all you gotta do is mail in like a piece of notebook paper or index card with your name and information on there. Now, some of them want you to write like a paragraph at least out of why you want it, you know, stuff like that, you know, why you'd like to have it, just to kind of hopefully help detour the lazy people, because obviously they want you to buy their product. When they sell their products, their product pays for the item they're giving away normally. And most of these, actually, I'm pretty confident I can say all of these, they have the math equation worked out just like if I was to do it. I'm not an idiot. I'm not an idiot. I'm an entrepreneur and a business owner. You sell enough product where the product, you pay for the product, the cost of the product, and then out of your margin, your profit margin on that product, eventually you're going to make enough that it's going to pay the giveaway item. Then you're going to go into the profit of what you take home after you pay for all the product that you sold and you pay for the item you're giving away. And so that's how these channels make big money. And hey, that's what I aspire to be too. I want to give y'all stuff away. I'm just not there yet, but I'm definitely watching all the big boys that's up top, because I'm trying to get there too. So that's the reason why I don't mind reading the fine print. But I know some people don't think about it or don't want to do it. And I just kind of wanted to bring it to y'all. I see y'all as friends and family, and I wanted to bring it to y'all. And, you know, I know a lot of y'all are budget guys. That's the reason why you're here, just like me. We're not rich, all of us, you know, we bust our butts 9 to 5 and 8 to 5, 7 to 5, whatever you work, 7 to 6. And you would love to get these away, but maybe you have kids that need to be fed and you can't afford, you know, a $20, a $40, a $50 purchase to get into these contests. This video was for you. So go read that, do what you got to do. Try to win you one of these things, man, because it could change your life. Either you could use it to drive it around and it could change your life as in bring you happiness, or you could take the thing and sell it and cash out. So I can tell you what, I have been extremely busy, but my goal was to enter some of these. And if I won it, I will, whenever they ask me, you know, like what I bought or what I did to, you know, entered, I was going to straight up out them on their own video and say, nothing. I just followed your rules, your details, and I read and I did what I was supposed to do and played by the rules, and I didn't spend nothing but postage to get whatever the prize is. And then we would take it and sell it and fund our project, because most of these giveaways, I don't want that what they got either anyway. So like, comment, subscribe, share, smash that notification button. Jason messaged me this afternoon with pictures of the other side of the headers. So we are scheduled, if everything goes smooth, for pickup this weekend on the Comet. And as soon as I pick it up, I will be bringing y'all more video on that. And we're about to turn that thing up on the Comet and get it out there. Thanks, y'all.